Hello everyone. Just few minutes back, I completed watching this new documentary called Life on Our Planet by David Attenborough. और उसमें एक पॉइंट मुझे जो सबसे ज़्यादा हाईलाइटिंग लगा, he said that every creature on this planet, जितने भी species हैं, they have a limit on their population. So nature has put a cap on their population कि एक particular limit के बाद वो नहीं grow कर सकते हैं. But human beings are the only animals on this planet जिसके ऊपर कोई कैप ही नहीं है, जिसकी पॉपुलेशन सबसे ज़्यादा है. और वो इस वजह से because we have this brain and we have control over all the diseases. We have control over almost everything, and we think that we are the most powerful beings, and we have killed 60% of the biodiversity in 40 years. So उसमें उन्होंने एक और बात कही कि कुछ ही समय में या the nature will be putting a cap on human population also. And why am I making this video? Because I personally believe that this corona pandemic, जिसका अभी तक कोई भी वैक्सीन या ट्रीटमेंट नहीं हम सुपर पावरफुल ह्यूमन बींग्स निकाल पाए हैं, that is a cap on the growth of human population. Also because according to that documentary, which was very well researched, in next 50 years, 60 years actually, around he said by in the next 60 or 80 years the planet will not be livable. So हम जिस तरीके से डिस्ट्रक्शन कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं, पेड़ काट रहे हैं, पहाड़ काट रहे हैं, ओशन खत्म कर रहे हैं, सब कुछ खत्म करते जा रहे हैं. So if we continue destroying in the same pace, the planet will become completely inhabitable in the next 50 or 60 years. So just imagine our next generation will not have this planet to live. So it's a very serious question, and I believe that this corona has given us a lot of lessons, और हम इन lessons से कुछ सीखे होंगे और अपने लाइफस्टाइल में environment को ज़रूर लेके आएंगे. Thank you.